big welcome to my existing and new subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. Thank you so much. So this video is an unboxing video. It's a hair unboxing video. I got this hair from a seller on Amazon. They are called Beyond Beauty, okay? They're called Beyond Beauty Hair on Amazon. So they sent me this hair for review, and this video is about unboxing the hair with you guys, okay? So this is the first pack. They sent me the hair in two different packs, probably because they're sending me two different colors. So this is the second package here. Like I said, they are a seller on Amazon, and they sent me this product for review. Beyond Beauty Hair. Okay, so this is the second pack, and this is how the packaging of the hair looks. Okay, these are the two bags that I received. This hair is called Spring Twist Hair Crochet Bomb. So some of them come in ombre color. So I'm just going to bring out the first pack. All right, so this is the first pack here, and it's dark and light wine. Okay, that's the color. I'm going to bring it out of the pack so you can see how it looks, so you can see in detail. Okay, so I requested for two different colors when they asked me the colors I prefer. Okay, so this is the dark color and light wine. So it is ombre design. So that's the first bag, and I can also see some jewels, okay, in the bag. Yeah, so there are three packs in each bag. So for the first bag, 1, 2, 3. And this is the second bag here. And this is color 1B. So this is purely black in color. So I got one ombre and one color 1B. Yeah, so this is the color 1B. And the texture feels exactly the same as the wine color, the ombre dark and wine color. Okay, so this is it. This is how it looks. I like how bouncy the curls are. They're really bouncy. I also like the softness of the hair. They're really soft. They're very soft. So they come in 8 inches. These ones are 8 inches, and they are really soft and bouncy. They also feel very light. So I'm holding 2 packs right now, and they feel very light. For the color 1B, I also got 3 packs in one bag. Okay, so this is the first, second, and this is the third one that I have outside already, out of the bag. This hair is also frizz-free, as you can see. The curls look very neat, no frizz at all. Okay, and then I got more jewels in the other bag, and I also got 2 hair clips, okay, in the bag, which will be very handy. Sometimes when I'm parting my hair, I can use them to hold the different sections. Okay, so that's pretty much all I have in the bag. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do now with this hair in this video is to convert this spring twist into passion twist. Okay, so I'm going to show you the steps for converting spring twist to passion twist, which I'm going to use for the hairstyle that I intend to do. So let's get right into that now. So guys, we're going to start making the passion twist now, but I'd like to call your attention to this leaflet that I found in the bag. It's attached to the hair, and this one has the washing instructions, how to wash the hair, because sometimes people have sensitive skin and they want to wash the hair before using. So it has the detailed instruction on how to do that. And then the other one is like a little manual. It has ideas on different hairstyles that can be done with the hair, and it also has some recommendations on how to install the hair as well. Okay, so those are the different hairstyles, okay, by Beyond Beauty Hair. I'm going to leave a link to this hair in my description box below, so please feel free to check out the link. Okay, the hair is on Amazon. So to make the passion twist, all you need is to take one spring twist at a time, and then you hold it like so. You pull one end. So as soon as you pull one side, you will notice that the curls will become less tight. It will become more fluffy, like so. You can see the difference between this side and the other side. Okay, and then you pull the other side as well, so that the curls can be more fluffy. Okay, so now the hair is pretty much ready for the passion twist. Okay, so I have yarn here. You can also use thread for this part. So I have yarn here, and I have 3 different ropes, tied together. So now I'm putting the spring twist across the yarn, and the yarn is now like halfway through the spring twist, like so. So the spring twist is basically hanging on the yarn, and then I will just start twisting. Okay, so for me, I twist in the left direction. Some people feel more comfortable twisting in the right direction, but what matters most is consistency. So if you're twisting to the left, then just keep twisting towards the left, so that the twist will not become undone. You have to maintain that one direction twist. Okay, so you just keep twisting in the same direction until you get to the ends of the spring twist, and then the passion twist will be all done. It will be ready. Okay, I'm going to adjust the camera so you can see the ends. So the passion twist is pretty much ready, guys. As you can see how bouncy it is. Okay, it's ready. So I'm just going to carry on in a similar fashion until I have enough to make the hairstyle that I want to make. So the passion twists are pretty much ready, as you can see. So what I'm going to do now is just to trim the ends. Okay, so I'm going to trim the ends, and then I will show you how it looks after. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of the passion twist hair. I used 2 different colors, as you can see. Yeah, so it's pretty much ready. I have 65 pieces here, and this should be just enough for the style that I want to do. If I need to do a little bit more, I still have some spring twist hair to use to make more passion twist hair. So guys, please feel free to check out the link to the hair in the description box below. Like I said earlier on, the hair is from Beyond Beauty hair store on Amazon. So please feel free to check them out. The hair is amazing. I like the texture and how bouncy the curls are. Alright guys, so please watch out for my next video in which I'm going to show you the style I'm going to do with this passion twist hair. Okay, so take good care of yourself and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.